Check. Cookie. Giving check. Giving check. Okay. A B C D. That's it.
Different. Different.
No, not
And
not
what's the
different
part?
and sub.
E, D, and S. New tough.
The new topic.
I don't know what the different is. Yes.
Bye bye. Good night.
Bye
Take
bye.
care. Take care. Bye bye.
Our family, friends, and so many of you keep asking me how Cookie started learning chess so early and how she is actually enjoying it.
Hey, Cookie. Hi.
Hi.
Hey, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Hey, good evening, Cookie. You ready for
Yeah.
today's class? You are? Good.
What we are
Okay.
going to be doing today?
We're going to be learning. So, in the last class, what did we learn? We learned how to attack, right?
Yeah.
And we learned how to
And
capture. Yeah. But in this class, we're actually going to be learning how to defend and attack, right? I mean, it's not just you who's going to attack. Your opponent's also going to attack, right, Cookie?
Right.
Correct. So we'll have to defend, right? We'll have to defend. Okay, but Cookie, before that, I just I just saw that you did your assignment last week. I'll just present my screen, okay? Just a minute. Good, you've done all of your assignment. I'm really happy about it.
You also did the old assignments.
You did, right?
Right.
Last week?
Do those ones also.
Yeah, see, in the last week, see, you scored 50 points just through assignments. See, look here.
50
Assignments.
points?
Yeah, you scored 50 points through assignments, right? And Cookie, you're on the third rank. See, in this particular category, you're actually in the third rank, right? So that's a good thing. But in the overall category, see the highest point. The highest point is 165. 165, right? 165. And the
Right.
lowest in the top 10. So it's the top 10 leaderboard. So the lowest has 102. So Cookie, you will have to strive to score at least 100, right? To be on the top 10. And what I would suggest is do the assignment, okay? 50 points. And also do the square trainer here. Square trainer. Okay? There's something called a square trainer. Do you know how to go to the square trainer, Cookie?
No.
No? Okay. So here, if you see, there's on the side, on the left side, there's something called the visualization trainer. Okay. There's something called the visualization trainer. Go inside that. Okay. And once
Okay.
you go inside it, why is it not? Okay, we'll just go back. So once you go into the visualization trainer, you see the square trainer here, Cookie? Yeah. And so, yeah, and so you get 10 seconds. You have the option to choose 10 seconds, 20 seconds, or 30 seconds. Okay, now if I choose 10 seconds, it starts giving me all the squares. Okay, it's asking me to click on G7. So G7 is here. And then it's asking me to click on E3. E3 is here. And then A2, then D7, and then F6. So in 10 seconds, I was able to click 4. I've got 4 right? So do this, Cookie. It's fun. It's fun, right? And it
Zero wrong.
what Cookie?
Zero wrong.
Yeah, 0 wrong, right? So 4 were right. So I clicked on all the squares, but I was able to do only 4 in 10 seconds. So as you keep doing, maybe you'll do 10 in 10 seconds. Who knows? Who knows? So
I
keep
can
doing
do
this.
30 I can do it in 30 seconds.
You can do it in 30 seconds. Yeah, you can choose anything you want, right, Cookie? So do this one as well. Do the square trainer, okay? Apart from your assignments. Okay, Cookie? Okay. Fine. Okay, let's get into our class now. So Cookie, you know what's defending? What's defending? What's defending? What do you mean by defending?
I don't know what is defending.
I mean, if you throw, say, a paper ball at me, what would I do? I would do this, right? And that's called, yeah, I would do this, or even you would do this, and that's called defending. Your hand defends, yourself from the danger, right, of the paper ball hitting you. So likewise, Cookie, when your opponent attacks you, you will have to defend, right? And so, Cookie, I'm I'm gonna share my screen now. There are actually four ways. There are four ways to defend. There are four ways to defend, and I call them A, B, C. Cookie, can you hear me?
A B C D. A.
Yeah, A, B, C, and I'll call it D or S. Okay, I'll call it S. Okay, A, B, C, or S. Okay, or you can call it D, whatever you want. Okay, so what is A? A is away. A is away, right? So if your opponent attacks you, you can go away, right? You can go away from the attack. That's one option. The second option is B, which is block. You can block the attack. You can put something in the middle and block it, right? Just like your hand. Just like your hand, right? You block, right? You block the paper ball coming at you, right?
Right.
The paper ball that is coming towards you, you just block it, right? That's block. Or you move away, right? The paper ball comes, you just move away, right?
Yeah.
Like Spider-Man. Okay, that's
Yeah.
away. And then
Spider-Man.
yeah, that he always keeps moving away, right? He keeps
Right.
dodging everything. Okay, he keeps dodging all the attacks. Okay, there's away, block, and then there's C. What is C?
C.
C is capture.
Capture.
Yeah,
Yes.
capture the piece that is attacking you, right? Capture the piece that is attacking you. And what's the third? And what's the fourth? It is
The fourth.
defend, D, or you can call it support, right? You can support the piece which is being attacked, right? So, Cookie, let's look at each and everything one by one, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so, Cookie, first thing, okay, Cookie. So, in this position, Cookie, can you see one of your piece, I mean your white here, and one of your piece is under attack? Which piece is under attack? Hmm.
This piece is under attack.
Your
No.
your white. One of your piece is under attack, and that is the rook. The rook is being attacked by the bishop. The rook is being attacked by the bishop, right?
Who's
So
the rook?
yeah, this is the rook, right?
Right.
Okay. So the rook is being attacked by the bishop, and you will have to either do A, B, C, or D,
D.
right? Away, block, capture, or support, or D, defend, right?
What's
So
this?
yeah. So Cookie, what would you do over here? Can you try an away? Can you tell me a safe square to move to for the rook? Any square, any square,
Hmm.
any good safe square that you can tell me.
H.
Yeah, H square. Where's that? H file.
H1.
H1. Can the rook go to H1 here? Okay. Is that possible? No.
Nope. It can go to H4.
Ah, yeah, H4, Cookie. H4 is a safe square for the rook to go to. Why? Once it goes to H4, what happens? It's now it's not under attack now, right?
Yeah.
You just move the rook away from the attack. So that's one option, away, right? Away.
Right.
Okay. So Cookie, what are the other squares? I can go here. It's an away. This is a good square. This is a good square. This is also a good square. This is a good square. This is a good square. And is this a good square? Is A4 a good square, Cookie?
No, because there the bishop can might attack us.
Correct, correct. If you go to A4, it's not a safe square, so that's not a good square. And is this a good square to go to, Cookie?
Yes. Yep.
No, because the pawn would capture you. So even that is not a good square, Cookie, right? The pawn would capture us. You know how the pawn captures, right? It captures us in V shape diagonally, right? So here the pawn would capture us. Can is this a good square? E6. Is E6 a good square?
No, because the king.
Good. The king would capture us, so I can't go there. Can I go to E7, Cookie?
No, because the
No,
king.
the same thing. The king would capture us, so that's not a good square to go away. And is E8 good?
No, because of the king.
Because of the king, and so even E8 is a dangerous square for the rook to go away. This square, Cookie, E3.
Yes.
E3 is good. E2.
Yes.
E2 is also good. And E1.
Yes.
Yes, that's good. So we have these squares, and all these red squares are bad squares. Right, Cookie? All these red squares are bad squares.
Bad
Okay.
square.
To go
And
away,
this
to go
bad
away.
square.
Correct, correct. So good, Cookie. Now you know how to go away, right? Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, Cookie, again. Okay. Uh, your rook is under attack. Did you notice that?
Yes.
Yeah, your rook is under attack by the bishop. So where would you take this rook here? Now,
2. We can go to.
yeah. There are many squares, Cookie. You can go to many squares, but there are two danger squares. One is here, and the other one is to just keep the rook here without moving it, right? And is this a safe square, Cookie? Is this a safe square?
Yes.
No. Why? Why is it not a safe square, Cookie?
I said yes.
No, this is not a safe square. E8 is not a safe square. Why? Because the bishop is eyeing the E8 square. If you take your rook there, you would be in trouble. You'll be in trouble because if you move your rook away to E8, the bishop would capture. Right,
Yeah.
Cookie?
Right.
So, yeah, so you can't go to these squares. But apart from these squares, you can go here, 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 here. You can go here, here, here. Right? So, and you can also go here, here, and here. Right? All these squares. Good.
But coach, there's another pawn here. How it we this is also a dangerous square.
Which one? Which one, Cookie? Can you tell me the square name?
Of course, it's bat. It's the bat 4. No,
Bat 4. Bat 4 is fine, right? Bat 4 is fine.
no, it's not because of the pawn.
But the pawn, so the Cookie, does the pawn capture diagonally? Can the pawn capture diagonally, or does it capture straight? It doesn't capture straight, right? So going rook b4 is fine. The pawn cannot do anything to you. Got it, Cookie?
Got it.
Got it? Okay, let's go ahead. So this is moving away. Okay, you defended the rook by moving away. Okay, now Cookie, the same thing. Which one of your pieces is under attack? Which one of your pieces is under attack right now?
The pieces are under attack.
You're white. You're white.
It's the knight.
Perfect, Cookie. The knight is under attack, so which means you'll have to defend it. Can you go away, Cookie?
Because of the queen
Correct.
and
Just because of the queen, your knight is
the
under attack.
pawn.
No, the pawns. No, no, not the pawns, Cookie. The pawns are too far away from us, so that's not an issue. It's the queen that is attacking your knight, right?
Right.
Right. Okay. Now tell me, where can I move away, Cookie?
You can move to.
Is there a safe square, Cookie? There are many safe squares, Cookie. Okay. First thing, tell me all the squares that the knight can go to. Okay.
It can go here. Girl 4.
Girl 4. Can you go to girl 4, Cookie? It's not possible, right? To go to girl 4. So 2 moves. So Cookie 2 moves straight and then towards the right, right? So this square, this
No,
particular.
I'm saying girl 4.
Ha, girl 5, Cookie. Girl 5. You go girl 5, right? Girl 5. So Cookie 2 moves straight and then towards the right. Okay? 2 moves straight and towards the left. Okay? So two
Okay.
moves. 2 moves, and then towards the right, left, and 2 moves, and towards the right. Okay? That's how the knight goes. Okay, now tell me, Cookie. You said G5. G5 is perfect, Cookie. Very good, Cookie. Happy 4. Perfect. Okay?
I'm happy too.
Perfect, Cookie. Good. Then,
Can also go to
yeah,
Gabby.
yeah,
Gabby 1.
Gabby 1. Okay. And,
It can even go to
yeah, egg.
1.
Perfect, Cookie. Egg 1. And then,
It can even go to dog
yeah, donut.
2.
2. Perfect.
Elephant 5.
Perfect, Cookie. You told me you've told me all the squares that the knight can go to. But now there are certain squares which are dangerous for the knight, right?
Right.
So there are only few squares that are good for the knight. So
Yeah.
Cookie, is elephant 5 a good square for the knight? Is
No.
elephant 5 is not a good square for the knight because the queen would capture it. So let's mark it red. Okay. Now, Cookie, is donut 4 a good square for the knight? Donut 4.
Yes.
Are you sure? Donut 4? Is donut
Yes.
4 a good square? No,
Yes.
Cookie. The queen would capture the knight. Donut 4. Right? Donut 4 is here. So if I take my knight here, the queen would capture it. Right? So even
Right.
that is a bad square for the knight. So I'll mark it red. Okay. Now tell me, if is donut 2 a good square for the knight?
Donut 2. Yes.
No, Cookie. Donut 2 is also not good because the queen would capture. The queen would capture the knight. So let's mark that red as well. Okay. Now tell me, is uh, elephant 1 a good square for the knight? E1.
Yes. No.
Yes, 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 yes. It is a good square for the knight. Why? There's no danger. There's no danger there. Okay. Now tell me, Cookie, is goat 1 a good square for the knight? Goat 1. Perfect, Cookie. And now happy 2, is happy 2 a good square for the knight?
Yes.
Yes, it is. And is happy 4 a good square for the knight?
Yes.
Okay. And the final square is goat 5 a good square for the knight?
Yes.
No, Cookie. Tell me why. Tell me why. Why is goat 5 not a good
Another
square?
queen.
Ah, because of the queen. Because the queen will just capture you. So that's a dangerous square. And let's just mark it red. So these red squares are bad for the knight, and these green squares are good for the knight. So the knight
There's
can,
4 good squares and 4 bad squares.
yeah. So we have four good, very good, Cookies. So we have 4 good squares and 4 bad squares. So the knight should move away to these one of these 4 good squares, right, Cookie? And that's
Right.
when, yeah, that's when it goes away safely, right? So it goes
Right.
here or here or here or here, right? All these are good squares. Good, Cookie. Good,
Yes.
good, good. You did so well. You did so well. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Okay, so Cookie, let's just see the next position. Okay, so Cookie, here again, what's the best move uh, for the bishop to move away to? I'm gonna give you an active puzzle. It's black to play.
Okay.
It's black to play. One of your pieces under attack.
Okay. I see this. I see the setup.
Yeah, I'm gonna give you 3 minutes for this. Okay. First thing, you'll have to tell me which piece of yours is under attack. It is black to play. So one
It's
of your
the
pieces.
pawn.
No, it's not the pawn, Cookie. It's not the pawn. It's actually the bishop. Your bishop, which is on b6, that's under attack, right? It has no
But there's
protection.
a pawn and there's a knight on a pawn.
Yeah, but the knight's not protecting it, and the pawn's just stuck over there, right? The pawn cannot support it. So, Cookie, that bishop is under attack, and you'll have to move that bishop away. So, where will you move it away? That's the question. Which is the most safest square?
The most safest square
Yeah,
is
for that bishop. For that bishop. So, bishops go
for the
diagonally.
bishop. Goes diagonally.
Yeah, so
It
what's the
can
best
go
square?
on D1.
You did it d1, but is it possible for the bishop to go to d1, Cookie? Good, Cookie. So right now your bishop is under attack by the queen, and it's not supported. It's not supported by the pawn or the knight, right? The knight can go this way and this way, right? Sorry, this way and this way. So it doesn't protect the bishop in any way. And the pawn, if this bishop was here, right? If the bishop was here, the pawn would have supported it, but it's not, right? The pawn just goes straight, and it's been blocked. So, Cookie, this bishop is under great danger by this queen. So where should this bishop go? Where should this bishop go away?
To a pawn?
Okay, the bishop is under
here?
attack, Cookie. So no, tell me the square name, Cookie. Okay, let's do this again. So Cookie is C7 is C7, cat 7, a safe square. Cat 7.
No.
No, it's not because the queen would capture it, right? So let's mark it red. Okay. Yeah. And now tell me, Cookie, if the bishop goes to D8, is that a safe square? Dog 8. Is dog 8 a safe square?
Yes.
No, Cookie, because the queen would capture the bishop, right? So that's not a safe square.
Right.
So I'll mark that red as well. Okay. Now tell me, is this a safe square for the bishop? Cat 5. Is cat 5 a safe square?
No.
No, because
The queen.
yeah, the queen would take it. The queen would take it, so I'll mark it red. Okay, now tell me, Cookie, is D4 a safe square? Is dog 4 a safe square for the
Dog
bishop?
4. Yes.
Are you sure, Cookie? Tell me again. Take a look again.
Because of the pawn.
No,
Because of the pawn.
but Cookie, the pawn is going this way, right? It's already gone forward. So, the pawn has come all the way from here, 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 and now it's about to go there. So it cannot protect backwards. It can never go. So you know that, Cookie, you know
Right.
that pawns don't go backwards,
Right.
right? So it cannot protect backwards.
Right.
So Cookie, if I go D4, is D4 a safe square?
Nope.
No,
Nope. Nope.
because the queen would capture, right? Okay.
Right.
So Cookie, there's only one square which is safe for the bishop. Tell me, that square is A5, Cookie. A5. So the square apple 5 is the safest square for the bishop. Why? Once it goes to A5, what happens? It's out of danger. It's out of range of the queen. The queen cannot attack it, right? It's moved away from the
Yeah.
it's moved away from the queen, right?
Right.
Understood, Cookie? Understood? Okay. Let's go.
Understood.
Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead.
Active puzzle again.
Okay. No, not active puzzle, Cookie. But now you're going to be using the other technique. So we know away. We know how to move away now, right? If your piece is under attack, we know how to go away. But the
Wait.
next thing you're going to do is support. Support, right? If one of your pieces is under attack, you can do support. So A, B, C, and D, or D is defend, or you can call it support. Defend or support. You can call it anyways, right? Okay, so Cookie, right now,
Defend.
yeah, so Cookie, you're gonna call it defend or support?
Defend.
Defend. So A, B, C, D. It makes things easy, right? Okay. So Cookie, one of your pieces under attack, one of your white pieces under attack. Which piece is that? Tell me.
The piece is under attack.
Yeah, one of your white pieces under attack.
Can I go to the active puzzle?
No, not the active puzzle. To my code screen. To the code screen, and you tell me which piece is under attack.
I want to do another active puzzle of this.
We'll do it soon, Cookie. We'll do it soon. But can you tell me one of your piece that is under attack? It's the knight. It's the knight, Cookie. It's attacked by the queen, correct?
Correct.
It's attacked by the queen. So, you know what? There are no good squares for the knight to go. This is not possible, going away. This is not good because the queen would capture. This is not good because the queen would capture. This is not good because the queen would capture. This is not good because the queen would capture. And that's it, Cookie. I don't have any squares for the knight to go to. It's not always possible to go away, right, Cookie? It's not always possible. So Cookie, now you're going to defend it. You're going to defend the knight by supporting it, and you're going to use the help of another piece to support it. How? Use the rook, Cookie. Where will you place the rook such that it supports this pony?
We're gonna like the rook will go here.
Where? Square name.
Square name is
Yeah.
elephant.
Yeah. Oh, elephant 3. Is it possible for the rook to go to elephant 3? Cookie, is that a bishop? No.
No.
Okay. So, where should the rook go?
Do elephant 1?
How is it possible, Cookie, in one move? Right? You'll have to defend it in one. You have to defend this knight in one move, or else he'll just capture this. So how are you going to defend that knight in one move? One move. Use the rook. Yeah, use the rook. So Cookie, you play rook to b2, ball 2 and defend the rook. Sorry, defend the knight, right? Which was attacked. Correct? So
Right.
now, if the queen captures, what will you do?
The rook
And
was.
the rook will capture the queen,
Yeah,
right? I
and
mean,
then have two queens.
yeah, and then you take the queen. So, Cookie, you have successfully defended the knight. You just defended the knight with the rook, right? So,
Right.
always going away is not possible, Cookie. You'll have to sometimes defend it by defending it or supporting it, right? Using another piece. Let's go ahead. Okay, Cookie. Now tell me, I'm going to give it to you as an active puzzle. White to play. One of your pieces under attack. So defend it. How will you defend it? That's the question. I'm going to give you an active puzzle, 3 minutes. Okay. So place it on a safe square.
Okay.
Okay. Active puzzle.
To
Then
play.
yeah.
It's not.
Okay. Which piece is under attack? Tell me that first, Cookie.
It's the knight.
Perfect, Cookie. So now you'll have to save the knight. How? How will you defend it? Move it to a safe square. Move it to a safe square.
I went to cat 7 only.
Ah, that's the answer. That's the answer, Cookie. So look here, Cookie. Come to the code screen. Are you on the code screen, Cookie?
Yes.
Okay, if I go, see, I have only two squares for the knight. One is b6, the other one is c7. But if I go to b6, it's dangerous. Why? The king would capture it, right? If I go here, the king would just capture it, and I would lose my knight. So, Cookie, if I go to c7 now, can the king capture? Is it possible?
Nope.
No, because the king is supporting our knight,
Right.
and that's why that's the best move. Got a, Cookie? Okay, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead, Cookie. Okay, Cookie.
Now
Uh,
let's go see.
okay, now Cookie, you will have to play. You will have to defend one of your pieces that's under attack. Okay. So you are black.
Okay.
You are black, and I'm going to give it to you as an active puzzle. So you can discuss with me, Cookie. Okay.
Okay.
So which piece is under attack?
It's the bishop.
Ah, the bishop is under attack by the
Knight or
by
the.
the king. By the king. Oh no, not by the knight, but only by the king. But the knight, see, Cookie, the knight can only attack in L shape, right?
Right.
So it cannot attack straight. But the king can go anywhere, but only one step at a time. So right now, the bishop is under attack by the king. So where will you put the bishop such that it is protected? Defend it,
It
Cookie.
can go on cat 5.
Yeah, Cookie, that's the answer. It can go to cap 5. That's the best answer. Good.
There's a king.
Yeah, because what did you say, Cookie?
Because there's our own.
Ah, there's a king. Good, Cookie. Good, 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 good. So now, once you play bishop to c5, it protects our bishop. And if he exchanges it with his knight, we also take his knight, right?
Right.
Yeah. So that's not an issue. So Cookie, good, good, good. So Cookie, but before that, is b4 a safe square for the bishop?
B4? No.
No, because the knight can capture it in L shape, right? The knight goes this way and then towards here, right? So b4
It
is
goes 2 steps.
two steps forward, two steps here, and then towards the left. So here, b4 is not a safe square. Is b2 a safe square?
No.
No, because the king and the knight eye the b2 square. So those two, I mean, it's dangerous to go for the bishop to go there. Is c1 a safe square
C1.
for the bishop?
Yes.
No, Cookie, c1 is also not a safe square. Why?
Because of the knight.
Ah, because of the knight that can actually go this way, two squares, and then towards the left, right? So that's
Right.
also not a safe square. So the only safe square is c5 because of our king's support, right?
Right.
If the king wasn't there, the knight would just capture, right? So good, Cookie. That's it. Good. Let's go ahead. Okay. Now, Cookie, we know away, we know A, B, out of A, B, C, D, we know A and we know D. We know A and D. Now, we're
Yes.
going to see C. We're going to see C. What is C?
I don't know.
C is capture. Capture. Capture the piece which is attacking you. Capture the piece which is attacking you. This is the most aggressive thing, right? It's the most aggressive thing. Okay. So, Cookie, right now, one of your pieces is under attack. Tell me which is under attack. You're white. Which is under attack?
The king.
No, Cookie. You're white, and one of your pieces under attack. I'm going to give it as an active puzzle. Okay.
Okay.
And I'm giving you 3 minutes, and you will have to do a capture. You will have to do a capture.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, score.
Yeah, Cookie. So, which piece is under attack? First, tell me that. You're white. One of your pieces under attack.
It's the rook.
Ah, the rook is attacked by the other rook, the black rook. So, what will you do here? Can you capture the piece which is attacking you?
Yes.
Yes, you can. You can capture the piece that is attacking you. So, capture it, Cookie. Don't let your opponent capture you back. Ah, rook takes e6. Good. Got it, Cookie? Okay. So, Cookie, in the next class, okay, we'll revise this topic again. Away, block, capture, support. Okay. A, B, C, and
D.
D. Okay. Or you can call it support. Okay. So, Cookie, if your piece is under attack, you can do these 4 things. Call it what? Call it what?
Support this.
No, say it in order. A, B, C, and D. So those are away, away.
Away. This.
B. What is B? B is not biscuit. B is block. B is block. And C is no.
Attack.
No. Cookie. If your piece is under attack, if one of your pieces under attack, you can do these 4 things to save it. And those are A for
A.
A for 4. A for away, B for block,
For free.
B for block,
block.
and C for
B for block.
and C for
Capture.
and D for and D.
Capture.
Yeah.
D for
and what is D?
discipline.
D for defend. No, not D. D is not for discipline. No, Cookie. D is not discipline. Once again, D is not discipline. D is defend. D is defend. Okay. Fine. Okay, so Cookie, away. So if your piece is under attack, you can do these 4 things: away, block, capture, and defend. Okay, A, B, C, D. That's it.
Different.
No, not
And
discipline.
also support.
Yeah, support.
Support.
Defend and support. Yeah, you can call it support or defend. You can call it any ways you want. Okay, Cookie. So it's A, B, C, D. That's it.
D and S.
That's it. Yeah, and S. You can also call it S, right? Good, Cookie. Good. Okay. We'll revise this again tomorrow. Okay, a bit. We'll start with this and then we'll go for the new topic. Okay. And do your assignment. Don't forget. Don't forget to do your assignment.
What is the new topic?
The new topic. Let me just check, Cookie. Let me just check. Okay. It is check, Cookie. Giving check. Giving check. You know what's a check?
No.
I'm gonna tell you what it is tomorrow. Let that be a surprise, okay? Fine, Cookie. Take care. Bye. Good night, okay? And do your assignment. Don't forget to do your assignment. And also do the square trainer. Okay?
Okay.
Bye. Good night.
Bye-bye.
Take care. Bye.